In my hands is the all-new Dride 4K dash cam. Welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And today, look forward to sharing with you about the new Dride dash cam. I've had the opportunity to work with Yossi, testing it here in the US. So when he brings it out to the market, the product is ready to go. And I am the original backer of the first Dride dash cam, and I'll tell you, it's come a long way. So looking forward to sharing with you video footage and seeing the app and how much smoother it is running. And if you find this video of help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber and find I add value, then click that subscribe button and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now, as far as the device, it is about the same size as the first version. There are some changes. So first of all, you could see this version. There are going to be a number of versions where you can get it with just the one camera, where it just goes out on your dash and sees outside your car. There is this new version now where it's got a dual camera. So not only is it going to take video footage outside your car, it's going to also be inside your car, which is very cool. I have not tested a rear camera, but I know that's gonna be a wireless one that's coming out that you'll be able to get. And then you'll also be able to get, which is different here on the new unit, you had your memory card on the side. With this new unit, your memory card is gonna go inside the unit, and it also will have a SIM card as well. So then you can be able to access it through cellular service and your SIM card to see what's going on with your dash cam. And I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what is included. So if you check my referral link down below, as well as in the comment section, you could check out all the options that are available to you, and then go ahead and place your order for when it comes out for it to be delivered. So let me share with you first what's included. Obviously, this is the new box. I really like the design. You're gonna get a large cable here. This is a Type-C to Type-C. And then you're gonna have some cable ties. You'll have this tool for tucking in the cable, which I've done myself. It's easy to do. And then using this to help with pushing it in with the molding. It is going to come with this kit that you can have if you are handy enough to be able to install it to your engine and the battery, then you'll have that kit there. Otherwise, you can certainly plug it into the adapter if you're not interested in doing that. Now, what is nice this year as well, and I think some of the feedback that I given Yossi from the original version, is doing some kind of plate. What I used to do is Velcro my dash, the first version, and then take it down when I wasn't using it. So it had Velcro on the windshield as well as on the Dride. So what's nice about this is that with the plate, you can take it off very easily, and then this just ties in once you have that on your windshield. So you'll have that there, and then you'll be able to take that off, which is great. And then lastly, it also has this booklet in here. Now, things could change, but this is what was sent to me to this point. And now, most importantly, is the functionality of the app, because I know that's gonna be what's important to you. And I can tell you, with the build up of the app from scratch, in so many aspects, that I know that Yossi and the team learned to make this a better product. It's really come a long way. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the Dride. Let me go ahead and do that. Now, we have one port here just for power. It's going to turn yellow light, and then it's going to turn a white light, and it makes a woohoo you'll hear in 1 second. So we'll let it do its thing as it loads up. So it says, yeehaw! I kind of like that. I get a kick out of that. So it's a new cool sound that they've added. Most other dash cams, you hear the same sounds. A lot of them use the same chipset, as I learned. So they've done something differently. And again, I have my memory card in there. I have a 32 gigabyte. Okay, so first thing that you're going to do is, and this is at least on the Android phone, is you need to go to the internet and you need to go to the Wi-Fi. So you need to connect to the Dride dash cam. So you'll see that pop up, the Dride 4K. Click on that, and then you're gonna close this out, and then you'll see another pop-up box that you'll need to say yes to. So wait for that to pop up. So you're gonna click on yes, Now, when you click yes, do keep in mind you are going to lose the ability to have internet connectivity, but you'd really only want to use it and do this when you want to access the dash cam and downloading any of the videos. So now that we've got that set up, we're going to click on Dride. Now, one of the things you'll notice is you're going to get in right away and you'll see how quick that is. Now you'll see on the bottom, no SIM found. That's because the device will have the option for a SIM. So you can see the videos are populating nice and quick. And if you see some grayed out boxes, not to worry, you can always just get back out. And then when you go back in, they will be there. You could see, there you go. So all the videos are there. You have your events as you did before. And what an event is, when you press the button on the Dride, it will then set up separate events. And that will take in place of videos on the device for that specific time set. So if you were looking like, where is that video? Well, most likely it's in the events section. Now, when I press play, as you can see, it loads up the video very quickly and smoothly. So there's no buffering, which is great. While you're watching the video, you can press those 3 buttons on the top right. And here you have your options: save, upload to cloud, reverse camera, delete, and cancel. If I click reverse camera, this is the video that it took inside my car if you get the dual camera, which is great. Then you can see that as well. If you reverse the camera, it goes back. Now, if you want to save the video, press the 3 buttons, press save, and watch how quickly it downloads and saves onto your phone. Really quickly, which is great. Then it does the rear camera very quick, and there it is. Wahoo! Great, your video is now saved to your phone gallery, and it creates a separate folder here for Dride, and there are the 2 videos. Here's that front camera, there you go. And then you also have the rear one. And what I'm going to do as well is I'll share these other videos that I've taken. Now I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna go back in. Now, the next thing I wanna share is, and again, you'll have all your videos there. We'll show the date. This on top there next to the Dride is that camera. That is the camera so you can see a live view. The reason you would use this is if you want to just adjust the angle and make sure that's right. So there it goes. It's connecting to the Dride, and there it is. So this is live, and I think I just pressed the event button, but you can adjust that. If you press the bottom button, that is going to flip it to me. And so now this is me holding the Dride out, and then you can get out of that. Now on the top left, you've got the 3 buttons, and in there you'll have your devices, my videos, settings, and support. For settings, you've got everything there, so you could turn on and off the sound, you could turn off the microphone, medium impact detection if you use that. Resolution, it's got the different resolutions, so you could see 4K, 30 frames per second. It's got 1080 60, 1080 30, and 720 60. You then have a parking mode, GPS. You could delete all the videos, firmware update, and then there's other information. But you could see that is the settings. The videos do come in 1-minute increments, which is, I think, smart, so you can narrow down that specific video. So really, the app has been such an improvement. It's so smooth and even better than just a couple of days ago. So be assured that the experience with the Dride app, to me, on my Android, wow, it's great. What a difference from version 1 to version 2. And I'm so proud of what the team has done. So I'm gonna share with you now several videos that I have recorded using the Dride so you can get an idea. It's only gonna get better, but this is a great start where they are. And stay tuned to the company, but do know that they're working hard to bring out the Dride 4K dash cam. And again, be sure to check out my referral link so you could learn about the different options. You could choose which package is best for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Have a great day.